We're hopeful that this legislation is going to pass quickly so we can move forward with freezing the market on handguns.
Qu'est-ce que vous pensez des propos de M. Legault qui a dit en fin de semaine que le Québec risque de devenir une autre Louisiane à moins que vous lui transfériez laissant tous les pouvoirs à l'immigration?
The reality is that we work in very good partnership for a long time with the government of Quebec. Quebec has its own targets for immigration. Now, obviously, a country must continue to have a word to say about its immigration, but we're happy to share responsibility with Quebec because protecting the French language and Francophone immigration is important. Is it a fear campaign from Monsieur Legault? I think so. We'll continue to look to work positively in partnership with the provinces. That's my approach, and I will continue to do it. So no question to transfer powers?
Continues to just target lawful gun owners, and similar criticism to other gun legislation saying it's not going to target people that are breaking the law anyways.
I think people need to be careful about misinformation and disinformation in this. We've explicitly and specifically not targeted law-abiding firearms owners because those who currently own and operate handguns safely and store them safely are not at all targeted by this legislation. We're simply saying that we are freezing the market, and in the future it will not be possible to buy, sell, transfer or import handguns in Canada. There have been too many tragedies. Canadians need to see safer communities, and this is a comprehensive, multi-step path towards that.
Pensez-vous que